Hey, Newbie Dan here, and this is a quick review of the Emerson Quiet Kool 14,000 BTU air conditioner. For my regular viewers, I'm still working on my drill press table, and it's taking longer than I expected. Thanks for being patient. Yesterday, we got hit by a record-breaking heat wave. My new Emerson air conditioner got put to the test. A trial by fire, if you will. Stick around for my report on how it fared. The forecast was for a record-breaking 113 degrees. The previous high on this date was 98. Think about that. Anybody remember the name Bob Beeman? At 5:47 in the morning, it was 67 degrees outside. I cranked up the Emerson and set it for 76 degrees. My garage is 22 feet long and 20 feet wide. It's not insulated, although it does have drywall. At 10:23, it was already 94 degrees outside. Inside, it was 76 degrees. I had my air filtration system running all day, and I ran my shop fan off and on all day. The air conditioner definitely cooled the air, but it does have a little trouble circulating it through the entire garage, so the shop fan and air filtration system helped with the circulation. It hit 100 degrees outside at 12:30. Inside, still 76 degrees. My garage has two small vents. One of them is covered up by the cabinets, the other is behind the trash bins. When I installed the AC, I hooked up the AC exhaust tube to this vent using the supplied window adapter. I used some wire through the metal grating on the outside of the vent to hold it in place. Works great. And yes, you do have to vent it outside. At 2 o'clock, it was 109 degrees outside. The inside temperature was a little shy of 78. Normally, this AC is pretty quiet, but I had it working overtime, so you could definitely hear it. But that was cool. At 3:30, it hit the forecasted high of 113 degrees. Inside the garage? Well, it wasn't 76 degrees, it was 79. Considering that was still 34 degrees cooler than outside, I can live with that. The inside temperature never got higher than that. The AC comes with a good remote, and you can control all the unit's features from it. In fact, the only complaint I have about the unit is that you have to use the remote to control whether the louvers sweep or not. You can't control that from the unit's control panel. You can control everything else, just not that. Go figure. So the bottom line is that the Emerson Quiet Kool 14,000 BTU air conditioner is a winner. I've got a link in the description, so if you decide to buy this AC and you use that link, I get a little kickback. And that'd be cool. If you found this video useful at all, please give it a thumbs up and consider leaving a comment. Thanks! Check out the description for links to products seen in this video. Just scroll down, click Show More, and scroll down until you see the links. And if you like what I do here, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell to get notified about new videos. Thanks!